Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a guest account on your Mac. Let's get started. First, navigate to the top left-hand corner and click on the Apple logo. Then, select System Preferences. From here, go to Users and Groups. From the Users and Groups section, locate the lock icon at the bottom left-hand corner and click on it to unlock the page for making changes. You will need to enter your password. Note that most Macs already have a guest account created by default. Next, click on the guest account from the list, then check the box that says Allow guests to log in to this computer. You can also choose to limit the adult website access if needed, and decide whether guests can connect to shared folders. These options are based on personal preference. Once you've made your selections, simply close the window. Then, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and choose Log Out to enable the guest account. And this is the screen you'll see. You'll find your account and the guest user account listed. Click on the guest user account, and the guests will have access to their own user account to use on your Mac. However, if you want to create a guest user account on a Mac from scratch, you simply head to the top left-hand corner, click the Apple logo, then navigate to System Preferences, and go to Users and Groups. Again, you'll need to click the lock icon to make changes and then enter your password when prompted. And from here, in the bottom left-hand corner, click the plus symbol. You will then need to fill out this form. For this example, let's create a guest account for Mike. Then simply click Create User. This may take a few seconds to appear on the left-hand side, depending on your Mac model. As you can see, it now appears and you've successfully created a guest account for Mike. You can then click the lock symbol to secure the screen, and then you can simply head up to the Apple logo and log out of your Mac. You'll be greeted with the screen where you can now see that Mike and the guest user are both added to your account. You can repeat this process as needed to add additional guest users to your Mac, and that's how you add a guest user to your Mac. If you want more similar tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.